That's coming in at the moment. The stock market has gone down. Sensex down close to 1,600 points, while Nifty is down by over 400 points. There's trouble in West Asia. There's also a fear that the United States might slip into a recession. This is the news that's coming in at the moment. Indian markets have plummeted. Sensex down by close to 1,600 points, while Nifty is down by over 400 points. West Asia is in a mess, and United States recession is looming large. Siddharth Zorabi, managing editor for Business Today, is now joining me on the broadcast. Siddharth, I believe the right word to use here is swinging. That's what is happening with regards to the Indian markets. What do you believe are the reasons behind this?
Well, there are a few factors that have led to this kind of reaction in the Indian stock market since trade opened earlier today. Very clearly, what is happening in the United States is the key fear, because there has been a massive slowdown in hiring in the month of July, and that's almost half of what had happened earlier. And this rise in unemployment in the United States has worried markets that the U.S. economy may be entering into a recessionary phase. The second bit is that the Bank of Japan has raised interest rates, and this will cause a little bit of pain as far as that strategy is concerned. Iran-Israel tensions continuing to rise, a point that you mentioned. Domestic factors include the fact that the first quarter earnings of many Indian companies show that the heat wave that we saw earlier this year and the fact that consumption demand has not gone up has led to a decline in the earnings of lots of companies. And therefore, a mix of all of these factors is leading to some amount of nervousness in the markets today, Aishwarya.
Thank you, Siddharth, for giving us all those details and for putting things in perspective. Siddharth Zorabi, the managing editor of Business Today. There's trouble that is brewing in West Asia, and there's also fear that the U.S. economy might be slipping into a recession, and that's the reason why we are seeing the Indian markets now plummeting.